operator was so nice, and I felt like it was just her in the office, and it was just like comfortable talking to her because I had never hired a pest company before, and I felt like she understood exactly what I needed.
They were honest, they had integrity, and they did exactly what they said they were going to do it when they said they were going to do it.
The service technicians are very professional, very friendly, very nice. They solve their problems and issues right away.
They're very dependable and they always show up on time, and I really appreciate how courteous the technicians have been.
He probably did above and beyond the call, but he understood the urgency that we had as well as the quality that we were looking for.
I felt so comfortable with him because he told me like what was in the chemicals. We walked around the back of the house and walked around the inside as he sprayed, and he let me know what the spray was going to do and how it crystallizes. And I felt like, wow, he really made us feel comfortable knowing what he was doing and how he was doing it. And then too, he was very professional with everything.
Trust. I know I can trust whoever they send. When you trust somebody, it's easy to make a referral. And that's, your reputation goes with it. So as my daughter was happy to refer them to me, I'm very happy to refer them to other people for the same reason, because I can trust them to take care of whoever I refer them to.
I really couldn't ask for anything better than what I got with ProPacific.